Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this directional blur effect for your video in CapCut. So first, you can just add your videos and go to effects. Click on the video effects, and here on the search column, just find oblique blur effect. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the effect and let's go back first and put it under the first clip like this. Now add a keyframe at the start, and here for the blur and rotate, set it to 50, and then go to the end, add another keyframe, and here set the blur to 0. Okay, now go in between the keyframes and click on grabs and add the ease out to keyframe. Ease out to grabs. Click on the check icon, and what you need to do next is just duplicate the effect 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so after that you are done, and this is the directional blur effect. So guys, you can just repeat the steps for the next clip. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.